انڈونیشیا کے مسلمانوں نے عدل و اعتدال پسند اسلام کا ایک بہترین نمونہ پیش کیا۔
One of the best Muslim tolerance in the world is Indonesia. The symbol of gender equality also. Another most, especially in the Middle East country, women at the back and also men on the front. Here in Istiqlal, men on the right and women on the left. So men and women so close, and men and women can access the first lane. Every month we have a special meeting. We invite the leader of the church of many religions join together in Masjid Istiqlal and discussing together problem of society. For me, hardliner people is not Muslim. There is no terrorism in Islam. Islam is a religion of humanity. Humanity is only one. There is no colors. According to the Quran, so we have to respect another people without see religion they have. Imagine, inshallah, Indonesia trendsetter for Muslim country.
دور حاضر کے انتہا پسندی کے درمیان یہ اپنے آپ میں امید کی ایک لو ہے۔